Hello, everybody. It's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with Say It's Your Birthday. It's my birthday too. Day 9. Let's see what day 9 brings me. The tape came out none in this one, but I didn't tape. And we have clay beads and pearls and oh, they look like little donut beads. Too cool. Clay beads. Oh, are cool. Awesome. Beading, landing, clay beads. Clay beads. They look like little mini donuts. They got like gold and gold on it. Can you see the shimmer on them? And cool. Awesome. Thanks, Sabrina. Awesome. So, we have a few more days. And then it's done. But, what are we on, day 8? Yeah, day 8 or day 9? What did I just say? Man, I tell you. I forgot. Well, whatever day it is. I hope you're enjoying seeing these little gifts open. I think it's fun. So, I want to thank you for watching. Thank you again, Sabrina. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.